The Big Bang is simply an explosive force that never goes off. It never occurs in time. Yeah? So the Big Bang exploding to infinity should exist because it's the force that creates all of reality. But it never actually goes off because it's going backwards in time. When you take rest time as your model, h as the duration, h as the Newton meter second squared, the area of bending moment that's created about the centroid of twist, you see that it never is going to go off. You have a recursive system here, twin-centered, twist in the surface, rotation at the center, free bearing, mass momentum, creating the sun plasma sphere and its dot point that we see. We don't see the plasma sphere because the light is moving away from us. So we can't see the force plasma sphere around us. We see the result of the work that it does. Heat. Heat is created. There is a tearing in the surface from the dilatancy of the 6 group piling. 2 of those grains move away in the east, creating the sun dot point. So that it's the twin-centered recursive shockwave of the Big Bang that would go off, that's created, that actually exists instead as the cavitation around a piece of mass, a fragment of chip of aggregate glass dust of the most tiniest infinitesimal scale, created from a silica, random aggregate silica crystalline structure in the shape of a tetrahedron spinning. That's the tiniest thing that exists. That creates a force field of dilatancy around it, really massive, because of the magnetic dilatancy that is acting upon it. It's the smallest possible mass creating the largest possible force. And so there's the model. It's the neo-Tychonian model of the Earth, Sun going around Earth, Mercury and Venus, force spheres going around the dilatancy of the Sun. Mars is an ellipsoid force shape object around us, and so its ring tension is inside the mass because it has its own structural strength as an ellipsoid, not as a sphere. And so the elliptical orbit of Mars is inside the mass, and then from out there you have Jupiter to Saturn, creating the sphere model of stability of the centre of the universe. You have Saturn with its rings creating the current balance because the thing is so out of whack at the centre, and you see the hexagon at the force, the actual hexagon force field of the vortex is created by opening up like a flower. So Saturn is stretching like that, and it's the force of the vortex at the top that's holding it. The force of the vortex is hexagonal because it's flower of life. 6 group piling arranged on the flat equatorial plane with elastic bodies pressing into each other, creating a centre sphere of dilatancy, creating matter around that fragment of light. There's a total transform. The mass at the centre of the chip of the fragment of light with information in it exists on the outside as matter. What does matter do? So fucking simple. Such a simple model. Yeah? Science asks you to accept the miracle of the Big Bang, and then you can accept everything else. I say accept this miracle. Accept that the Earth is the centre of the universe, and build your model from there, and ask yourself, why is Dr. Victor Levy classified? What are they hiding? Everything. I give you the future. Fight out.